Transforming Your Life in 2025. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, the transformation of your life is going to require a transformation of your energy. If we look here, we can remember that as a child, we got filled up with faulty beliefs from the information that we received and recorded, got that messaging. And now we're here in our adult life, and we are, of course, always an energy being, and a lot of low vibration energy in our vibration because of those faulty beliefs, which is influencing our present moment thoughts. And because of that, of course, our life is manifesting in ways that we do not want. And that's natural. When we do offer low vibration, it's natural that what manifests is what we don't want, or you could say a lack of what we do want. So what we want to do is we want to get back into our natural high vibration energy so that our vibration is filled with high vibration. That's our natural place to be. So we want to remember that this is a process. Transforming is not something you're going to do in a day or a week. It's something that's going to come along as you pay attention to your thoughts and you start replacing them, and then over time, with more and more positive feeling thoughts in your day about things, then you are going to clean up your energy and you are going to be back into your high vibration mindset, and then things you want naturally manifest. So again, you can see we're not wanting to manifest things, we are wanting to clean up our energy so it opens the pipe so the things that we want, that we've asked for, that life has caused us to ask for, can flow into our experience. And this is very different than the way humanity has been living, because we've been living in this physical world trying to use our conscious mind to figure things out and how things are going to happen, and using action in a make it happen kind of way. And so we've demonstrated to ourselves as the human race that is very limited, because we can see, if not in our own lives, of many people around us who are not having the full experience of life that they want and really what we came for. So in 2025, you want to think of the year in terms of a transformation of your energy, not manifesting things. And then as you're working day by day, month by month through the year, you're going to clean up the energy, and more is going to be manifesting to your liking, because that's the natural thing to happen as you remove the resistance from your energy. So if we look at what kinds of things that we can do, what are the elements of transforming to a feel-good mindset, which is the thing that transforms our life? So going down the list, self-worth is something that we must have in place. We must know that we're deserving to have the things that we want. And that's a feel-good. And if we don't have that self-worth, that strong sense of self, knowing why we're valuable and important and the creator of our reality, naturally born, successful, perfect in all ways, if we don't have that, then we're going to be lacking feel-good in this area. And that one affects everything. So we want to clean that up. Next is everything and everyone, current and past, in your life is the manifestation of your energy. It's nothing more, it's nothing less. A change in your energy changes what is manifesting. So that gives you a feel good, because then you can just accept everything that is something you invited with your energy. Even if you hadn't realized it up to now, you can realize now that it was just your energy that invited all that to you. And it's not that it's bad or anybody's doing anything to you or life is unfair. It's not about any of that. It's just that you had that energy going that was low vibration and inviting those unwanted things. So now you can make peace with all that stuff on that basis, and now you're more in a feel good about it. And the fact that it really, anything that's unwanted is contrast. So it did cause for a lot of asking, which your inner being has set up as vibrational reality. And you can be receiving that going forward. So that's a really important one as well, to get feel good going about everything in your life that has happened and is happening now, and then look forward to how your choice of thought energy is going to determine what's coming next. In terms of physical life focus, we only want to be focused on positive aspects of things. Every stick you can pick up. So what I mean by a stick is a topic. So whether it's your house or your car or your friendships, your job, anything, there's a good feeling side of it and a side that is not feeling good. And we always want to focus on the good feeling side. So that's the positive aspects, the favorite parts of those things, what's working about them, what you can appreciate and feel grateful for. Where your attention goes, where you put your attention is really what you're inviting. So if you talk in good ways about things, even though you don't like necessarily all the aspects of it, but if you will talk about the good feeling aspects, and that's the part that has to come to you. That's the law of attraction working for you to bring you more of what you are focused on. So we want to keep the attention on all of that stuff that feels good, the part of it that feels good, and that way we are inviting more of that. Understand the unwanted parts of life means you have asked, and what you want is now ready for you to begin receiving. And that's always a feel good to know when you go through your day and you think, well, that was a bad day. And then you realize, oh, wait, now, no, it wasn't a bad day. It was a day of asking. I got clear on what I want. My inner being heard that, set that up in a wonderful path. And now I can be receiving all of that good stuff. So I'm kind of thankful, really, for this day, for causing me to ask and expanding my life into more joy. So from that perspective, now you've got feel good there, even in those what we call the unwanted things, that there's even a good side of that. So that gives you acceptance of those things, letting go of circumstance through understanding, and therefore opening the way to positive anticipation and peaceful expectation. That's a far, far vibration away from disappointment and sadness and those kinds of things when we think we had a bad day, versus, oh, now more things are on the way that I really want. The next one is to understand the value of negative emotion. It means your present moment thought energy is low vibration, meaning your thoughts are not accurate or in alignment with what you want. The emotional essence of your thoughts are not in alignment with what you want. So anytime you're feeling a negative emotion, it means you're not in agreement, not in alignment with what you want, and therefore you're blocking that from the receiving. So this is great awareness that there's nothing wrong with negative emotion. Let yourself feel it. Just don't stay there. Just let it tell you it's time to shift your thoughts to get to something that feels better. And this way, you don't get upset because you're feeling negative emotion. You're very happy that your guidance system is working, and you can feel good about that. So you can see already in this list how much feel good there is, that you can consume your day. Let's keep going here. The path to all things wanted is now. It's right now, and it is a path of great joy. So I talk about that in many videos about what the path is all about. So there's no wait time. You don't have to be patient for anything. The path is now. It's today. And that is a really nice feel good right there. That creates some anticipation and expectation. Next is feel the positive anticipation of things wanted because you know the certainty of them. So that's important that we do know the certainty of the things that we want. That it's not a maybe thing, or if I do something, then possibly I'll get it. It's none of that. It's certain. It's a done deal. And it's just a matter of you lining up your emotional energy through the day that lines up with the things that you want, and then you are receiving them. You're receiving that path, and it's a sure thing. So feeling that sense of certainty is very high vibration. That's a feel good. Now let's look at a few other things here. So stop looking at what others have. See, that's a big thing that pulls our vibration down and gets in the way of all this other good stuff I talked about. If you're going to start looking at what others have, or what you haven't achieved yet, or any of that kind of perspective, you're pulling your vibration rate down. You want to stop doing that and just start knowing that you are the creator of your reality. You are where you are, and now you're going to work on cleaning up your energy, and you're going to start to receive the life that you want. It's a transformation, not going to happen next week, but as you work on it through the year, you can see changes happening. And I talked about in the six stages of manifestation change. You can see as you go through the stages how you feel, and so that's what you're looking at achieving through 2025. And by the end of 2025, you can make a significant difference. You can see things manifesting a lot more to your liking, and they'll keep growing as you keep going. Okay, another thing here, stop taking score to see if things are manifesting. So if you're noticing, oh, it didn't manifest yet, well, now you're really not doing all these good things. You're defeating all these good things I just talked about by focusing and giving attention to what's not there. So again, trusting the path is now, and the details will come in ways that are satisfying and fulfilling for you, and trusting that process. So that's what you're working. That's part of the transformation is taking on the trust of the process too. You're transforming your trust in the process and how life works. So this is a journey of restoring to your true self and true life. Your natural high vibration mindset. This is not a journey of manifesting what you want. That happens naturally as you are increasingly in good feeling places. So 2025, you want to transform your mindset to the feel good mindset. That's your natural high vibration mindset. And the result of that will be that your life transforms in terms of what's manifesting. So make 2025 about moving away from this kind of energy in your vibration to making it more and more look like this, and you can check in with your daily emotion tracker, and you can see if you're making progress, and then you can maybe even take a accumulation at the end of each month and see how you're doing with progressing generally in your day, and just if there's specific topics in your life that you're feeling more at ease about, less bothered, less upset, more understanding. And then you're progressing in the transformation of your energy. And again, that will result in the transformation of what is manifesting. So that is transforming your life in 2025. Okay, thanks for listening in. If you have any comments, leave them on the post, and enjoy your day.